WEB model is a Wi-Fi multifunctional electronic torque wrench with large screen and centralized control center software. It consists of two parts: torque wrench and centralized control center software. The wrench not only has all the functions of an electronic torque wrench, but also has angle, storage, ratio, and Wi-Fi function. The wrench itself can also be used independently. Once the softwares are installed on the computer in the centralized control center and the wrench is connected, wireless applications can be realized. The centralized control center can receive instant data from 24 wrenches working at the same time and record the data. It is suitable for occasions where traceability of measured data is required. It contributes to modern intelligent management of all torquing functions and enhances factory supervision of quality control. For example, when you set the parameters on the wrench end, the centralized control center can read the information. You can also set the parameters from the computer in the centralized control center and upload them to the wrench. Remote locking: the wrench can be locked through the centralized control center, then the wrench end is not allowed to modify any parameters. Preset group function. 50 sets of parameters can be preset. Each preset group includes test type, unit, target torque, target angle, ratio, accuracy, and mode. Once set up, it is easy to change parameters by switching the preset group numbers during operation. 7 torque units are available. 2 test modes are available, peak and track. 5 test types are available. Peak torque test: the target torque value can be set. Peak angle test: the target angle value can be set. Torque and angle test: the wrench will turn through the set angle value after the set torque value is reached. Beta test, which can measure the torque and angle of tightening a bolt. It's generally used as statistical tests to mark the torque and angle of the bolts in the technical requirements. Residual torque test, which can test residual torque. In the test type with set target values, when the set torque or angle is reached, there are sound, light, and handle vibration alarms. During continuous operation, the wrench will automatically reset to 0. After one test is completed, there will be data waveform display. The latest application curves can be saved and viewed on the wrench. There are other functions as well, such as the storage method can be selected from 3 options: manual, automatic, and qualified. Backlight and standby time can also be adjusted. You can charge the battery via the Type-C port on the wrench, or replace the battery to avoid any work delays.